What's up, everybody? Josh here. Got an interesting situation today, or probably uncommon for most people, but it's just kind of, one of the things we got to do around here. One of our local spots is having some issues, and we got to go fix some potholes so we can do hood rat shit safely and have fun. So here we go. So I'm on my way down to one of our local spots, one of my favorites. It's probably one of the toughest in our area to get down, which is why I enjoy it as much as I do. If you can get down that thing, you can get down anywhere. However, alright, so I'm trying to get used to this new fancy gimbal, so bear with me. So anyhow, you can get down that thing, you can get down anywhere because it's not very many steps above a dirt road, but potholes and greasy are two different things. So we got some quick patch. A couple of us are going to go down here to meet down here. I went and got the quick patch, and the other guy's got the tamper, and we're going to go fix a public road because, well, you can't call the city and say, hey, our hood rat shit lane over here that we want to go do certain activities on isn't acceptable. That won't go over too well. So we find our own way. Create a solution where there's a problem. Look, see? Yeah, we're about to patch all this. That's how you do when New Mexico gets bad. Because you can't call the city. Do it yourself. So you gotta put the biggest guy on the job, pound that stuff. Got these yahoos over here don't know how to act. There's always somebody in the crowd. Ready for another one? We had to get skilled labor on this one.
You doing another one up?
Let's keep beating it. It's not done.
Bro.
Let me tell you about that kid.
It's still there. I see the flames. That's it. Moving back.
Oh, it's cooking.
This is how you repair track.
He told me to touch it. I touched
Asphalt with built-in track bike.
Yeah.
Come down here to fix some stuff, and got to do what you got to do. Don't know how much that helps. Got to be better than nothing, though, right? We'll find out in a couple days. Nobody knows how to act around here. Come out here in your dailies to patch some holes, and you know, it is what it is. It's nighttime, as you can tell. We beat on that thing for a while. Poured 125 pounds in there to fill that hole. Set it on fire. Hopefully that'll help it set up quicker. You know, we threw some little splash of blue collar brew in there. Help dry it out and set it. And then we set some 2x12s out there and ran them over, get it good and flat and compressed. So hopefully our efforts will pay off. You know, if you take care of Mexico, Mexico will take care of you. Anybody has any experience with that, let me know down below in the comments, because it's our first time messing with that cold patch, and who knows, maybe we did something stupid. Maybe not. We'll find out. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks.